Hi, I'm Mark from the Landscape Academy, and we're here today to look at London Stone's guide for installation of step treads and risers in a natural sandstone product. London Stone's range features a variety of steps, treads and risers made from either natural stone or porcelain. They can be bought off the shelf or manufactured to order by the London Stone team if you need specific sizes or details. Good preparation is the key to the installation of steps. Step bases should be constructed from concrete block on a concrete foundation and cavities filled with compacted MOT Type 1. Spread a mortar bed to where the first step tread is to be installed. The mortar bed should be 20 to 25 mm thick. Continue to spread out and smooth to a full bedding layer to ensure full contact. Because these are a bullnose step and we're going to have an overhang of approximately 40 mm, we don't want to prime over that element because it could be seen from the front. So we'll measure back 40 mm and just put a line in. That gives us an indication of where we should put the primer onto and no further. Apply a primer to the back of the step tread. Be careful not to put the primer on the edges or the overhang of the step. By using primer, you can be sure of a secure fix to the bedding layer that will stay in place and won't be affected by frost. Lay the first tread and tap it gently into place using a rubber mallet. Use a spirit level to check everything is nice and straight. It is essential that the tread should be level horizontally, but with a slight fall from the back to the front to aid water runoff. Because the sandstone product is porous, it's always good to cover it. We're now about to put the riser on, so we need to put mortar on the riser part of the construction step. So it's good just to protect the sandstone so there's no staining from the mortar. London Stone recommend installing the riser sitting directly onto the step tread. Do this by applying mortar to the back of the riser and firmly pressing it into place against the step base. The riser should be level vertically and square to the tread. Just remember, once you've put the riser on top of the tread itself, make sure you measure back so it's equal, so you've got equal depth in the tread itself. So on this one, we're looking for around about 33.5 centimetres, and it's equal all the way. Once you have the first tread and riser in, you can continue with the rest using the same method. If it's a wide step that needs more than one tread, London Stone recommend using 5 mm spacers to create an even joint width. Be sure to have a bucket of water and sponge on hand to clean up any mortar spills immediately to prevent damage or staining to the product. The beauty of a set of London Stone steps will enhance any outdoor space where you want to create a visual interest and need to work with slopes or changes in the ground level.